Rage on that beat, going crazy.
It's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video, and today it's gonna be another store video. I'm gonna show you how the store evolved, I guess I should say, and all the new things that we've added. So stay tuned. This is different than your regular t-shirt tutorial. All that more after the intro. So in the past, when I first started in the store, it was kind of bare. I had some shelves up that was behind me that were all the way stacked. If you check out my earlier videos, you'll see it. But we're gonna walk around and I'm gonna show you a few things that's in the store. By the way, this is not just my store. I'm actually a partner with someone else that does discount outlets. So he does his thing, I do mine, which is the t-shirt tutorial. That sound behind me is my Cameo doing work while I'm filming this video. But what you just seen was some fragrances that we've added to the store. So follow me. My section right here, this is where I do all my creating of the t-shirts, the YouTube videos. This side over here is where we ring out purchases. Let's go to the next room. Shout out to my man Romeo Eats. Hey yo, check him out. Subscribe to his channel. He the one that asked for another store video. My bad. Slipping, stumbling. You know, it is what it is. But we're gonna go into the second room of the store, which is actually, it displays a lot more of the things that we do have, such as things for school, fabric markers, regular markers, puzzles, things for teachers, banners, light bulbs. Heck, we even got this thing right here, which throws Major League Baseball to youth that's trying to become the next Barry Bonds. So this next section that we're getting ready to go through is things like medication, house goods, and you might be wondering and asking yourself, well, how did you get so much inventory, or how did he get so much inventory? What he does is he bids on tractor trailer loads or lost pallets. Pallets that get rejected from places like Home Depot, Rite Aid, any of your major retail stores. Once he places that bid, the highest bidder wins, and then we bring it to the store. So to my left, we have some miscellaneous items, from lampshades to some more light bulbs to sofa covers, slip covers, pretty much a little bit of everything. You name it. You name it. It's that time. You already know Thanksgiving time I'm gonna do that. Some more stuff for the teacher. Things for the mailing. If your door, you're missing that Q or that A. Listen, I'm one of them people that got apartment 17, but the A is missing, so it just say PTA. The mailman need that A up there, y'all. You can get it right here. To the housing for the mouth, I guess you would say. Not for your house, but cleaning products. Bathing products. And so much more. Yo, my daughter is recording and she's filming me and she's saying I look like an orange popsicle. I can't help it. The glow is beautiful. I use that cocoa butter. You know, I rub it in twice every day. So if the lighting is different, you know, we do record YouTube videos, but we are not professional video editors. So just bear with me. I'm just trying to show y'all the store real quick. To this side, we have some stuff for like deep woods. If you get if you're going camping, you don't want the mosquitoes eating up your blood, that stuff. Then cleaning products. And this side is all Halloween. and I'm a Halloween baby. Actually, I'm not. I actually was born October 20th, but it's close enough. So let's go to the back. I needed a break, y'all. I've been working all day and night. And I apologize for looking like the orange man, but you know, it is what it is. Orange is king. No, content is king. Right now, before we get into the rest of the store, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. What up, squad? 12 Gone Apparel. That's C. You dig. I can't help it now. It's official. I'm going to say her name twice all the time. Jerome's from All Things Style. Say How You Feel TV. Because he going to say how he feel. Trust and believe. Pretty much squad. If you get a chance, please go to our page on Facebook and join. Get some tips and tricks for your everyday custom apparel business. So now we're in the back of the warehouse/store. And this is a pretty big store. As you've seen, it's 3 rooms long. What I have behind me is some kids' toys and I think Lego, like generic Legos maybe? I'm not sure. We're going to keep on going around to another random shelf with a random rack just hanging in the middle of the aisleway. Tools. Electronic cash registers. Hey, you opening up a store, you need a register? Holla at your boy. I got one for you. For the low, too. $75. That ain't much, is it? If you shoot up all the way top, we got some stools or chairs. I mean, it's not a full set, but you might have that one kid in the house that keep leaning back in the chair and he broke that one chair. Look, I might got the matching one. If you got one chair that's missing from the dining room set, holla at your boy. So we're still in the back and we're just going to continue on. I got blinds, bamboo, regular, the pool shades. We're going to go down the first aisle, which is in the back. And you have Viva La Splash. I don't know what Viva La Splash means. Maybe a pool ball or something. Yes, what it look like. Some more chairs up top. Pillows for outside. Scoot down a little bit further. Camping gear. Brooms, mops. What's this right here? This is a River Lake dinghy boat and oar set. Yeah, that.
Inflatable boat.
Yeah, whatever that is.
Kayak, maybe.
Some more chairs. I keep telling you, look. I got kids, y'all. And my kid's constantly leaning back in the chair. And when I bought the dining room set, it was expensive. So when I did lose one of the chairs, I came to a place such as this to get that chair because I wasn't going online and spending $100 for one chair. Especially when I can get it a set of 2 for $58. Come on, man. Where's the deals? Yeah, that's pretty big, ain't it? That was heavy too, trying to get it in here. But 3-in-1 hockey tables. We got some more tables over here that's in boxes. We even got the rails for Pro Tracks. I'm guessing this is for like a Jeep. Or no, it's these tailpipes. They something to do with a car. I don't know. I don't make cars. I don't build cars. I do t-shirts. Rims. Keep going. And we're going to go right down to this last aisle to some more things for beds. Queens, kings, twins, all that and more. Shout out again to your boy Romeo's Eating Channel. Go subscribe, like, and comment to his channel. He was the one that pitched me the idea to show the store again. And yeah, this is probably like my 4th time showing it. But as I grow, the store grows, obviously. And an updated version was much needed. So I want to bring that to you. Shout out to the squad again. Right now, I'm going to let my homeboy Seek from 12 Gone Apparel speak to you a little bit more.
What's going on, y'all? It's your guy, Seek Paris, 12 Gone Apparel, squad member. Along with Mike T. Shout out Mike T for having me over here. You dig lifestyle, all things styles. Say How You Feel TV. Man, if you haven't, go check out my people. We got some real good content for you. We doing this thing right. It's a movement. Up and coming YouTubers, influencers, just trying to make some noise. Squad, just grew into something. It wasn't nothing we planned. We didn't talk to each other prior. It was just like something that was meant to be. I believe it was Jay Styles from All Things Styles that started the hashtag, and it's starting to grow. We became a movement. We became a family. You know what I mean? So it was only right that we take this YouTube platform and get over here to Facebook and start this group. Hashtag Squad, custom t-shirts, printing more. There's a link in the description, man. Y'all go down there and hit that link. Come join the group. Come rock with us. Come see what we doing. There's tips, there's tricks. You get to see other people's work for inspiration. There's motivation, you know what I mean, in this group. We just started a few nights ago, and it's already growing. Man, y'all come support the squad. Come be a member of the squad Facebook group. Like I say, it's a link in the description. Without y'all, man, we wouldn't be here. We appreciate everybody that hit that subscribe button. We appreciate everybody that comments on these videos. We appreciate everybody that likes these videos. We appreciate everybody that we've been able to touch, and we've inspired other people to get into this t-shirt game, and you know, like we were inspired before us. You know, it all started with a dream, a few goals, and so now we trying to make this movement grow. So y'all come rock with us.
Yo, you know what time it is. Whether it's a store walking tutorial or a t-shirt video tutorial, we at the end of this baby. Which means if you like this content, like, comment, subscribe, comment, like. Shout out to the squad. You know who you are. I probably said you like 12 times during the video, but you know what it is. To the next one, y'all. I'm out. Hey yo, join squad today on Facebook. I'm trying to figure it out for Instagram, but basically if you want tips and tricks and knowledge for your custom apparel business, this is the place to be. Join squad today.